Welcome inside this generously proportioned townhome/condominium, where you'll immediately feel a sense of belonging. The seamless open floor plan effortlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, boasting a vaulted ceiling, a charming fireplace, and an abundance of refreshing natural light. The main floor encompasses a bedroom, a convenient half bath, a laundry area, and an inviting deck, perfect for hosting gatherings and creating cherished memories. Moving upstairs, you'll discover a luxurious master bedroom, complemented by another well-appointed full bath and a spare bedroom and bathroom, offering versatility and space for your needs. In the basement, featuring its own kitchen, a modern 3/4 bath, and a comfortable bedroom. Nestled in the sought-after South Bismarck neighborhood, this property enjoys proximity to downtown, parks, and scenic bike paths, making it an ideal location for an active and fulfilling lifestyle. Don't let this